Hey guys, today I'm reviewing for you a customizable weather widget that you're able to add to your home screen or include that as part of a lock screen bundle depending on how you'd like to use the application. Let's check it out. The app was originally featured on the XDA forum by XDA Senior Member astoncheah, and the app C Widget has been updated as to version 1.9.5 as late as actually recently as the 23rd of March. It gives you a little bit of an explanation of what the application does. You're able to download the application here. He also gives us a little bit of what he's hoping to do as far as fixing it, or his to-do list in his application updates. For each one of the applications, he gives us a link to the Google Play Store for the application itself. So let's go ahead and open up the Google Play Store version for C Widget. Gives us a little bit of a screenshots for what the application can and what it will look like, some of the other options. So we'll go ahead and close this one. He does have two other applications as mentioned, and they obviously get referenced. It supports Android 2.3.3 and higher, which is very nice, so the availability of the application will be very nicely accepted. As I mentioned prior to this, or I probably will mention it during the review, it does integrate itself quite well into C Locker, so if you do have the C Locker application installed, this is definitely a very nice addition to it. Let's go ahead and check out this application on the phone. We'll go ahead and open up the application on the phone. Go ahead and Google Play Store, look for C Widget. Again, it's by astoncheah, and again, it shows the application was recently updated as the 23rd. It's 2.5 megabytes. Again, very nice. We'll go ahead and open it up. Goes straight into the settings part of the application itself. Gives you what the ability you can do. You know, widget, what the information you want to show in the widget, the text settings. The color settings, the background, as well as the data information that you want the settings for that, the coloring for it. The other thing you can go is you have different shortcut widget that you can add to, or different shortcuts to the widget itself. So each part of the widget which displays different information, you're able either to use the default application to launch, or you can customize it. So also a great little shortcut there. And then as far as other settings, is just the ability to set certain information as far as the system RAM, of how much RAM does it have the ability to use. And then save and close. Now, overall, I've already added the application to my desktop, and you can see that it displays the time, the weather, and if I click the weather, it opens up the weather portion of the application itself. It updates, it's basically set right now to geolocation, but you're able to customize it, and this would be where you can go in and customize if you want to change it from Fahrenheit to Celsius, the style of the information, how often it updates, if you want to have it auto update based on the location. And so it's refreshing one more time, and then you're able again to just look over there, and then you could go back here. It's non-intrusive. I've set the opaquency a little bit light so that it kind of blends into the background on my screen, and it doesn't have that, it gives me straight information of what I want. The RAM, the internal memory that I have. Now this is only reading my internal internal memory. It does not read the SD card. Give me the battery temperature, time and date. I can set my alarm to be triggered off of here, but currently if I click RAM, it just shows current running application. As well as if I trigger, memory does the exact same thing, and then when I go to battery, it just gives me battery usage, so I'm able to see how my phone is doing and all the applications that are running. I like the application. I like the way it works on the phone. It integrates itself very nicely and seamlessly into the background. So if you have a weather widget that you've used in the past and you replace it, it just fits over it, and it gives you pretty much the same information and then some. The ability to add the RAM, the ability to know exactly how much internal storage you have, all of those little quick informations are very nice. Also the ability to launch into, when you click the battery temperature per se, it launches you straight into the battery option, so you're able to see how much battery you have left and how your burn down process, what's using your juice as much as it can. The other thing is the ability to be able to go into your app manager directly out of it. Customizing those shortcuts are also nice. It's different than the stock TouchWiz, Samsung, or even the stock, if you have an HTC phone, weather app. It works nicely, it gives you the same information, but then it goes so much more and it's highly customizable. The developers did really a good job on not only just giving you the package as far as, oh, hey, it gives you weather, but it also gives you all these other applications. So please check it out. Let me know what you think. Again, as I mentioned in the app review, this app will work with the C Locker application, so it's able to display the weather on the C Lock application, also made by the same developer. Please check that out. I put out a review for that one last week. Overall, great app. Let me know what you think. Please like and subscribe, comment, and let me know if you have any questions or recommendations for other applications. And other than that, I'll see you guys next week.